Hello and welcome back to Dreamforge World. In today's video, I just want to make a quick introduction about a new series that we are working on for the Academy, and we're calling it the John Doe CRM. So this is a fictional CRM that I've created a skill for, and this skill created the entire CRM application. And you can build along with me. The course will take you through every step, and you will learn how to set up architecture properly, how to draw design diagrams, architecture diagrams, and build the entire app and deploy it to Vercel. So just a quick introduction. So this CRM helps people that needs a small business CRM understand how authentication works, how email works, how even voice dictation works. So let's review quickly. It's from your first lead to a paid invoice in one app. So John Doe CRM is a complete working CRM for small business owners and solo entrepreneurs. You can capture leads, you win them, you deliver the work and get paid. With a pipeline, dashboard, full activity history, and like I said, a voice note dictation. Two modes of that, and that's optional, but you can do it. There's even a chatbot AI agent, which is also optional, and you can do it if you need it. The app is live. So if you visit john-doe-crm.vercel.app, you can even try it out before you learn how it works. So create your account, sign in, and try it. It takes people through the lead pipeline, the conversion, the projects, and invoices, what you do in the morning. So John speaks faster than he types. That's why the voice dictation. There's various security roles, so you'll learn how roles work. And if you are landing here on a video, then I recommend you use the Learn Dreamforge Academy link, or from the video there will be a link to it as well. So if you're in the application, you can use this, and you can find it at johndoecrmvercel.app. But otherwise, there will be a link in the YouTube channel. So let's have a quick look at the course and the lessons. There will be 14 lessons, as you can see on the left here. So first you're going to learn what you'll build and the method behind it. Then we'll go into the stack, your tools, and 4 free accounts that helps you build a CRM. You're going to scaffold the trunk, as we call it, the design of the data model, the authentication roles, and the owner bypass, so that the owner has administrative rights, for example, to promote other users and so on. The leads and the public capture form, how you convert a one lead to a client, the projects that you can set up for each of those clients in the CRM, how to handle invoices and even exporting them to PDF, activities and the going cold indicator, the voice dictation, web speech using Whisper, the pipeline dashboard, how you invite your team, and how you can take your entire application that you built and ship it to production on Vercel. So this is the lesson overview then that I will be making videos on, and I'm hoping to publish at least one a week, time permitting. So if this is something that interests you, this is very detailed, very extensive, and you'll be able to follow along. We're going to do it a little differently in that I will show the architecture files, the plan files, and the diagrams, and you will use the lessons that is shown here on your own time to follow along while also referencing the architecture documents. Also, just to point out, if you want to see the entire GitHub, I'm going to make this a public GitHub when the course is complete. So you'll be able to open the course reference from here and see the entire repo, which is an example showing how John CRM was built, the one that I built, but you will be able to create your own, and you can even make changes to make it yours. But maybe the first time, if you haven't done this sort of thing before, you should follow along and just see if you can recreate John Doe CRM first, and then go from there to customize for yourself.